Good evening. Welcome back to In the Khud. This is October 12, 2022, 6:40 p.m. and mark the date, ladies and gentlemen. Imaginary ladies and gentlemen. October 12th is when I am deciding that it is time to make a change. In the Khud recordings are going to happen at 6:30 p.m. max. I've already gotten 10 minutes late on the very first day, but I have a cup of coffee with me. Let me just sip a bit. So right. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry for the little bit of disturbance there. Okay, why this all of a sudden change? It's because today I woke up at 10:13 a.m. You see the mind equals blown emoji. This is just not tolerable. Having said that, yesterday also we did a mess up of this sort. And I've come to realize that this is happening because my schedule, the way I'm functioning, or my timetable of sorts is fundamentally screwed. What I am doing is every single day I'm sleeping at 12 o'clock in the night, and at 5:30 my alarms go off. I drag myself to the desk here because, hustle. By the time it's 9:30, I'm so drowsy, I'm so dead, I have to sleep. And I end up sleeping until 11:30, 12, which is where I'm missing the calls because the work is supposed to start at 10:30, that's how it is. This schedule is definitely not working. What I have to do is I have to somehow sleep at 10:30 p.m. in the night, wake up at 5:30 and then not sleep till 10:30 the next day. That is when I have these extra hours and the worth that is like getting up early to do my kind of thing, plus the job, plus dad's work, plus everything that I am born to do. I feel like I'm sounding too over enthusiastic, but trust me, in person I'm a lot more subtle. Changes that need to be made. That's a domino effect. If I change one thing, it'll start changing the other things as well. Now, the fundamental change has to be that the ITK vlog, In the Khud vlog, has to be shot at 18:30, which is 6:30. That's what I'm doing right now. It needs to be edited and uploaded by max 7:30. 7:30, I will be leaving house for the workout. By 7:45, the workout should start. By 8:45, it should be done. By 9 o'clock, I should be back at home. By 9:30, should be dinner. So that I have half an hour to 40 minutes for my riyaz and guitar, which is also something that I've been missing out lately on. And 10:30, I can go to sleep. Now, the problem here is everything is like very stuck to each other. There isn't much margin or room for error as such. That might possibly be a problem, but yeah, this is what the plan is. Let's try to stick to it, because anyways, if I think about it, what I was doing in the last couple of weeks or so is this time 6:30, 6:45 to 8, I'll just do something very random, and then wait for 8:30 and then take my nice sweet time to go to the gym by 9, then come up, and it was just getting dragged on. So that 1.5 hour of additional sleep, like for example, if I go to sleep at 10:30 instead of going at 12 o'clock, that 1.5 hour is going to really make a huge difference, I feel, at least. Let's see how it works today. I'm going to document it anyway. And then that's it. I woke up at 10:30 today. Things were kind of rushed, but I did take Snowy down and he pooped as well, which is amazing. After that, when I came back up, today was pretty much a day of calling people out. I'm not going to take the name because names of my team members, because that's kind of weird. So I called out one person because they wouldn't reply to my texts. Yesterday I sent a text and they would, in the morning I got a reply today, which is unacceptable, right? In a work from home situation, the least I expect you to is to just reply to my texts. So that's one thing. And then after that, I help with figuring out how to make text readable and things like those, which personally I struggled a lot, and till this day I struggle. In a video, if you're adding text, how do you make it readable? But over these past 2 years, I have got a few tricks up my sleeve which help me out in that. And so without any sort of filter, I just shared it with. Next up after that, I had 3 things to figure out for the full-time job today. I completed them almost sequentially, except for the last one. I was kind of doing that. And I also called out one more person in the team who last week just took a leave and did not inform me or put an email, and I was kind of pissed. But and he did not even think about addressing it up until today. He's asking me for some video. So I called up and I confronted straight up, what's up? How is this a thing? And what he told, the reply he gave me kind of surprised me. He said, I had typed down the draft for the email, but I did not send it. And to me, this did not occur. Even this as a mistake could happen. But anyway, things are clear now, and I've made sure to communicate that this should not be happening again. Sadly, that is the crux of all that happened today, and we've already hit 6 minutes, so I don't want to be wasting a lot of time today. Ideally, I was supposed to get up today and work on the Magnum ice cream video, because I was thinking that before the end of this weekend I could put that out, but it's okay even if I put it on Saturday, Sunday. I need to somehow put that video out by the end of this week, because that's kind of important to me. That is one thing. Other than that, Friday is a Diwali party in office, so I've been going to office. and I have to go to office because there is no like, I mean, I can avoid going, but it doesn't look right, doesn't feel right. I shouldn't be doing that. So, and I will leave by 5:30 p.m. so that I can reach there by 6:30, and then from there I can leave by 9:30. I don't want to wait till like 10:30 or whatever. I'll be leaving a little early only. Might be possible that I miss out on Friday's documentation for In the Khud, or I might just do it before leaving, like an ultra early In the Khud session. Regardless, we'll see how that goes. That's it for today's documentation. It was only about like figuring this new schedule out, and best part about life is this vlog because I have an accountability partner. Bruh. Somebody that I have to answer, like an answerability thing. So that is amazing. I'll keep documenting this, and I will have to stick to this. Otherwise, who's gonna be able to show my face tomorrow to this camera and to this vlog? I'll see you there. Thanks so much for being in the Khud. I'll catch you tomorrow. Peace.